this video, we will solve the quadratic equations by factoring in the form ax squared plus bx equals 0. When constant is 0, the quadratic equation will be of the form ax squared plus bx equals 0. So, let's try to solve this equation. Solve for 3x squared plus 18x equals 0. So, the first thing we will do is we will first take the greatest common factor of 3x squared and 18x. So, the greatest common factor or the GCF of 3 and 18 is 3. When we take the greatest common factor, we take the exponent. So, our only factor now is x. That's why the greatest common factor of 3x squared and 18x is 3x. So, why x plus 6? Because when you divide 3x squared to 3x, we get that answer is x. Copy the sign which is positive, and 18x divided by 3x, the answer is 6. So, therefore, the factor of 3x squared plus 18x is 3x and x plus 6. So, what are we going to do? We set each factor to 0. So, all we have to do is separate the two factors and then quit by 0. And after that, we will solve for x. 3x equals 0. So, what are we going to do? Just divide us both sides by 3. 0 divided 3 is 0. On the other hand, x plus 6 equals 0. So, let's just move the positive 6 to the other side. So, x equals negative 6. Therefore, the solutions are 0 and negative 6. So, we have here another example. 2x squared plus 15x equals negative 27. We will notice he is not in standard form. So, let's fix our given equation first. Let's do the standard form first by adding both sides by positive 27. So, add both sides by positive 27. Then, copy 2x squared plus 15x plus 27 and add negative 27 plus 27. The answer is 0. So we have a standard form 2x squared plus 15x plus 27 equals 0. So this is what we will use. Let us notice that our a is more than 1. So how do we factor? This is what we will do. Let's factor 2x squared plus 15x plus 27 equals 0. So what we will do first? Multiply the constant term by the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term, which is 2. So, let's multiply 2 times 27. 2 times 27 equals 54. Now, we have the product 54. We will find again the factors of 54 that add 15. So, what exactly are the factors of 54 when the answer is 15? If 6 and 9 is your answer, you are correct. So, 6 times 9, that is 54. 6 plus 9, that is 15. Next we will do, since we have here the numerical coefficient of x squared, which is 2, let's divide that by the factors we get of 54. So, let's put x on both sides first. Let us have x in both factors, and then the 6 and 9 we got, we divide by 2. Again, 2 comes from the numerical coefficient of x squared. So, next, we simplify. Copy the x, then 6 divide 2, that is positive 3. Then, 9 divide 2, we do not get the right answer. So, what we are going to do, let's put this 2 here in front of x. So, our factor now, 2x, bring down positive 9. So this is what we will use, x plus 3 and 2x plus 9. Let's go back here because we got the factors of our given. Quantity x plus 3 and quantity 2x plus 9. Let's use the zero product property. X plus 3 equals 0. Use addition property of equality. Add both sides negative 3 and simplify. Copy the x, cancel out positive 3 minus 3, and 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3. And next, 2x plus 9. Let's use the zero product property. 2x plus 9 equals 0. Use addition property of equality. Add both sides negative 9 and simplify. Bring down 2x, cancel out positive 9 minus 9, and subtract 0 minus 9 equals negative 9. So 2x equals negative 9. So divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 equals negative 9 over 2. Cancel out 2, bring down x equals negative 9 over 2. So the answer is x equals negative 9 over 2.